and Surya Puranam, Rajiv Gaur and other important dignitaries and who attended a big program. As a Telangana government, we are encouraging EV policy, and that's why we brought a new EV policy, unlimited vehicles, exempting of road tax and registration tax up to 2026 December 31st. So who is responsible? So many buyers, they are buying EV vehicles because we are seeing no